Yamwachi biem samwa kwa Badwam TV Badwam so. Yada Apostle Dr. Nita Kodua say ninkranchen sama odi abreye. Yetwa so de kase na ma sama betie wo mu ebini yachi nipa miensa. Oye ohun tase adrobafo a wo betena mu a na won mu bokro no. Sansemi ne nsama hodo bi anopei yade bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280. Oko YouTuber search Adom TV Tube. Na kwa adomonline.com semine nsama foforo bi wo ho. Bidi afia amankwa tamaklo. Afia ni diem yenti seden semni chemu ankasa etie. Ghana Police Service operation bi a wo friend City Bugu operation. And I'm so am wache ankronkrom ye nsa bi a won dia ye ohun say wo Twitter see bi ntu betrem a na adu mobile phone efre wonsem.
Ghana Police Service eni enam wonomo operation me watu no din se City Bugu so ama enipa mensa ya kire wonomo ewo ni phone krono a wonomo ebo wankramantemo hase emrante ye kan wansem yi wondin eni Sasu Lawrence omanfo nim ni se agbe Charles Kofi inti omanfo nim ni se survivor ena fe Richard osei wonomo de wonwumede nyina na se anapa wonomo ebesore adware na wonomo akokotena won taxi mo tese ne wonomo ya driver fo no na wawutianye ya wonomo ebefa wono na krono wonomo abo na enam weso amani Chofun Shemon Mishesson, Director of Operations, DCOP Theodore Holomeno, and Central for Echuchun Komono, what church you medium see at the Atraying.
The syndicate operates mainly in the morning hours of the day, posing as a commercial taxi drivers searching for passengers. Typically, 2 suspects position themselves at the front and 1 will position at the rear seat. When the victim board the vehicle, the suspect deliberately locks the doors.
Na eno echi no sane to just ni enipa mienu a wono de phones na woton a wokowiewia na de abre wo ama wono mo aton a wondin ene William ampon woton mobile phone for cycle ena fi Frederick Judo no so ton de e wa chimota wono mo akire wonyina ene wono mo boma hwehwe won so etumi akosto no so honsem eni.
They are receivers. 1 William Ampon alias Willie, age 47, who sells phones at Circle. The second suspect, who also is a receiver, Frederick Kweku Jedu, age 50 years, who also sells phones at Achimota, was also picked.
Inipanson, ena munkwanshia so atwa na no monsedo. Emudu nwotwe 18. Onso epra nkwanshia we si wo Commander Asamasa, Cape Coast Takrade Kwantempon so.
Arewusem esiame ne mo kase die enipa enso wetina no mo ensiedo a omudun wotwen so die prekure mo den wono mo enya ne nyina eye nkwanhyi bi siye ewo Commander Asamasa no ewo Cape Coast Takrade Kwantempon no eso nkwanhyi e kan wasem yi esi endra enwumre wabra na simadu nu enum abapa no nso ho a we ahyemi na bakwe sprinter bus registration number AGS 6705-21 na wonani efi Commander echimo ewo Takrade and a man diesel truck and registration number so AGS 8394 wire. One so if we take Radia Wuchimu ewo Cape Coast na nkwanhyi esi wo one more entem. And I'm so ameni dum jeju meku fa one more ewo Commander Fire Station. Entem ekopimu ewo be one more eduye nipa nsia na one more ewo boss mu na wakamu no otimi eyi one more edi epie ya. Ahyen so na ama traffic he aba one so one more epia editu nremo bibi se ne be ya. Akwana never di nsem so betumi akoso ewo kwan eso eni pensia wono ekaka yimu eyadesi yi wono yewe ntempado onkopi mu ewo Cape Coast Teaching Hospital a ebra wono ekodu ya pomode adwuma efo kire se wono ayo nyankopon edia na eni pensia na wono ewudadai no ba ko kan wano no ye oba nanso na wonti na no ensiedo nanso wa bra pomode adwuma efo guso ade arehwe ema no wono so ye nyankopon edia masisi manfo etina no ensiedo no aye enso enipa wono etina no no o mumi ensa eye ema mmaa na baako yɛ wɔpemfo baako nso yɛ ɔbɔtɔfoɔ ɛna afei mmiɛnsa so ɛyɛ mmarima sɛnea ebi mu tena no mu nsiedi sanso na wɔn mu edum wɔtwe deɛ pirekura mu adi mpa wɔn mu enya apɔmuden adwumayɛfoɔ gu so a egyina wɔn so de ahwɛ ɛma wɔn mu wei na ɔmanfo bi wɔn ne ho nsɛm yi bi ɛde to dwa sɛ man diesel truck yi wɔn mu ho sɛ wɔluzi kontro a wɔntumi ɛnyɛ ne ho hwɛ ne nam so ma wɔde ne hyɛn no ɛkɔdura sprinter bus yi mu ma rɛkɔsɛ mu esiyɛ
Shankafoɔ ya wɔn mo ɛwɔ asafo ne adehye ɛwɔ hɔ ɛwɔ asantemantam na ne wɔn mo kasa wɔn support obi ada hɔ akyɛ paa ama asisi adane ofidie panifo mehwe enyema wo
aha ye ginan ɛyɛ asafo market junction na kwatimpo yi atwa mu ɛde kotek na wo hwɛ amradoko ya ɛda ɛkwa yi emu a ɔkyɛ mu sɛ ɛde ha bebre ɛna de aba eno eye akwanhia adehia wo hanom ene adom kase adwetwe nkomo ekire wo hawo no emi se
2021 ena da ho omo beye anye yie ena sampan mayor na behwe se obemo omaye omo beye na ni ba 3 days ni so to na sam break here no bia nsi hu biem besine e ko 5 years ni ya yetimi ye kataso na drivers na be faso na asey ye bokaye na drivers na be faso na asey ni eja isi enye biem because ukoka chire obia so emfa no yakoka chire asafo assembly man ni obia ma
how ben wo ho no me de mam
how bebre wo ho de mai obi timi betom obi ka timi betom e pada nso a amanfo ni gum na etu na ebon wa habasa
opinion leader baako a wahanom ene adom kase bo twetwe nkomo ekire se wo hawi omo etu wanamon esu akire mpanyifo a na so ade so munya anu ye bia
da bia ka bom kra boni pa we da bia ka bom enti ne ade mpampro na kosimu da bia ka bom obi wa wanim ebom nso a etimi twa akwan anim enna tutu na de wo ni nyina no ebom a na twa akwan na tu na de no ka bom da bia ya ni ata mpampro dia kosimu
adehye bi no mo enso a wonmo ne adom kase adwetwe nkomo ekire ahudie mu ehawa onamu ewa ha
ama yale ene ujira igwe ni say na gbole gu 3 days and 2 days e ba sa aso ton aduane ni koko enye yize ni ama yale
adwempa ne Kofi Mensa amane bo asafo market junction Kumasi
Adom TV, Badwam Kasia na ubiso eshano. Greater Accra Regional Manager, Driver and Vehicle Licensing Authority, Justice Kujo, say, Yashe Afia say a yeted 2nd January, Dikosi 13th January, no. Ashaya ya register you 2,300.
Greater Accra Regional Manager, the Driver and Vehicle Licensing Authority, Justice Kujo, Ede Atuja say, a free of a pombo sumenda to sumino, and BC and nay of a pombo sumenda to so edumi and Sunday, a shamuna one more a register agena 2,300. And one was signed to just say
it's ongoing, it's still going on. It keeps on increasing by day by day. Abibia say a shy self for no, and then say send econo every day. Who say numbers na ekoso? Oh, if I check my record, I say first day a total of 185 vehicles. The following day it moved to 255. As they go by total from 2nd January to date, they have registered over 2,300 vehicles. So it is increasing.
Eno echino wasane simwe say etu dwa edifasika wodobi a omanfo etua ehon.
One kasa na wodi usika ena watoka ena opese uyusu sene wo enkwachiro ewo kwan musubi se bia wo ni DV plate and as a DP plate na expire no I will encourage you say wuntumi empaka kan entwen dia be register there's a many do there's a brand so parliament o measure no edua na start registration obetumi aba na wa register and as wa be sanoma and yes, I'll bet me a train. Ebia next year, the road wetness, they wouldn't say Uber renewal. Sam Breno, will bet me as a sound number. And they are new number system. I ever started next year. Yes, it's a re registration, so it's a new process altogether.
Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng, can so for environment, science, technology, and innovation. So, Sir Justin Frimpong, Kodua we fake, and now we need so say General Secretary will be the NPP. Amanyu Kodenim.
Nami Busa say statement a free or General Secretary ho Abano when you be a kind.
Well, me go for the big say statement be from General Secretary, but General Secretary on me share no crowd that me share no that me no kasa that. But what I'm saying is I'm just waiting for official communications from them.
Yeah, because I say in the statement I say Obe refer to NEC. And the NEC would have to take a decision on you, but we're invoking the constitutional provision for expelling a party member from the party into what started to move the free party. But was a NEC it may approve our decision. No.
Okay. I'm just I mean, so a lawyer also here. I don't know when he completed law school, maybe a lawyer or teacher will school. No. Now, for this man to say, Ubia Bomipa and America the Americano. I am very sad. I've been very consistent. Sir, Omopa, and Yama Matria on the party, for the years, over the years, But then you know about one thing Obiaka, and say I've been very consistent, very concerned. So, party and Kofa Brown, some Brantia, so what I'm saying is that faction, General Secretary, that's a fake thing. Now, they should quit. And then the real party will stand.
Yeah, but you are still repeating claims, Ama secretary issues, because when you say party...
I don't care what they do. I mean, look, he is fake. Because the only faker, I said, Obiya program from 9 to 10 p.m. Almost 6. Now we see NEC I issue statement to start somebody from the party. They can go ahead.
No,
I'm not even respond.
That be one kasa NEC or no as General Secretary, and the way invoke provisions in the party constitution say or refer to NEC.
Look, he's not a mature General Secretary. How can you a program that ends at 10 p.m. and then before morning, you issue a statement? They can issue any statement that they want. I will not miss them, Obi.
Yeah.
I don't care what they do. Look, they are destroying the party, and somebody must stand up for that.
Okay, what have they done to destroy the party? In this uncle, and then they destroy the party now. Look at all the things. Look at how we lost the election. You're doing good. So,
Yenya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha ne bema kwan na no pay ye de asie ye da semre ene adaje a wode ma ye da se pa ye to so ye de bonkrata no Adom online sports and health atwo so e de amount ti wo afei na wo afidie no ato ha no ye mo cheson kokra ye de rade ase ma ye nyina ye ho ene ye nkra Adom ninti ene 14th January 2026 yetiase kakrakra bosome no so eko radia ode yen shemu no na da romanti onfie ntwa fie ne bosome ahodo nyina bemena
papa
anopa me mu ache
amenyo so
da bibia boko
nyame ado na nso
Adom no
de
de o no baby pink
de nyame ase na
o ye na o de enyo ba meboa
mere
o ye na de enyo ba se oba animu aja wa oba hihara
maka cho se ma wo awie
ye se wan kasa o motivate wo by the dress
maka cho se ma wo awie
eno ano no o ya de mu
o be di akire na me po ba na po ba oni ba se sara me ma me nso ye me po ba se wi akire nyo ba ba ko pe
se ne mu nya bi bo obi o kwa onyambo
no po ba no eni be wi nsia so eti mi anso metum ho fo sa de no
sa why steady
thread ye go ba me bank e bai the thread ye
ebia nyame ye
bia me mama no e na e ba be wo
sa e ma sa
yes as nananom e de ama me
eno ano no
enti e na ese mehwe animu
ubedru ho nso
nyame adom no bebem e de se bia bokọ de
nyame ehu ye mo
ye de yakopon ase so owie nyina mabo na adom so aso ye so esubi Yeah.
Ye zoom for yeda mo ase ye police yeda mo ase nyame hyehira mu nyina baako emfama ye nti zoom no ewo ho so won download ye no na ye kire wo no ada wo download
phone no
aha phone no
App Store okwa Zoom 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 uwia eno abo a edin kwa be copy app
no ama wo
no click so no about download o download we a click so it take you through the process o be register either your Google account and say any other account be on person dey register bia afo we na o person log into Adom TV there na your details ne be go so by password near 1 to 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 yeah the Zoom ID so beto so na wabone nyina hyehim kama to be wie no na say o dem live yes o na wo
na wo banso a na wa unmute wo ho bo sase ho no icons no gugugu ho bo say red bi asa say
microphone wa
click so pe afede o kasa ye bete aha ye nya ne sa na ye banso a ye ho fade no enye chinchin bia but enye they decide
because my background
enye kama wata
de background enye kama
fa ho sa na na okoko so
me jina so me twa mu fa me tena TV
so the TV so bio
ni pe hu amam for very recorded ya to no china bi ye dwara mo hwe
that ya wa be ye osofo bi no na obi de be ye
eti yes o ba mo chinye kama send them na be say be mo betimi agina bonte be ye kama be na de esi ho so na eje dem wa ne sa